You are now tuned in to the Crazy Whip Edition. Put it. Hey man, y'all already know what time it is. Another episode of Michael Miles, man. Hey, we getting that thing ready, man. That sun shining, but it's cold, man. I think it's in the 30s. It's cold out here, man. So I got my warm gear on anyway. Corzo hit me up, said come pick him up. You know what I'm saying? Dropping the Superchared Cutlass on. I don't know. He might think I'm an Uber driver or something, man. But anyway. I'm finna go over there check this out, and then I got a bonus clip of me and me doing the 1 chip challenge, and some more rules on the racing with my fam. So if y'all like that stuff like that, I want y'all to subscribe to the Crazy Crew. The Crazy Crew, man. Subscribe to that channel, to my kid channel. So if y'all got kids, holler at me. All right, well, we're back. Another episode, man. Right here at Showtime Transmission. I got I wrote Corzo. Cut him. They hit the swap. You know what I'm saying? Corzo gave him the green light. You know what I'm saying? Soon they hit the road out there. We're going to it. You said? He swapped that thing over, man. But he did that thing quick, man. He took a lunch break and everything. I told my weird quick, man. I told him, man, y'all gotta holler at DJ, man. My boy, Showtime. Gotta get out here.
Same day, too, man.
Same day.
This man, bro, what, 4 hours later?
I don't know.
If that.
So I don't know his name, but he look like Shaggy on Scooby-Doo. What's your name, bro? Dalton. Yeah, man, he look just like, check him out.
Shaggy used to be my nickname.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Hey, man, he get down though, for real.
He get down, man. Y'all gotta come holler at him, man. He did quick, neat, and everything, so gotta stay tuned. Oh, yeah, man. Not to mention, he a one-man army. One-man army, man. Got that thing done that fast. So, that's how like my truck is. Quick, neat, fast, professional. Instead of having a car all year, still be sloppy or whatever. So, alright, y'all, they burning some of the fluid off there right quick. Oh, man, this guy. Yeah. Corzo about to bag it out. I'm glad he got quick hands.
All that shit on video.
He's just gonna start, he's gonna bag it.
Damn, that's in the back now.
think, cuz?
Oh, the bad boy feel building. Alright, y'all know what I'm saying? I don't got back, you know what I'm saying, from for the what's it called? For DJ transmission, you know what I'm saying, showtime. So yeah. He gonna do a little bit of work. This bad boy here. But anyway, I'm back. You know what I'm saying, you know, Michael Myers, man, you know Michael Myers still got to be on the scene, man. Like I say. I'm waiting on my pod, still waiting on my pod. They're holding me up on a lot of stuff. But I got someone came in. You know what I'm saying? I got my door handles. I got that big white box for something else. You know what I'm saying? He coming in, y'all. I'm telling you, he coming. Hey, he coming. But anyway, we're gonna switch some stuff up. You know what I'm saying, with me and Corzo Ray, you know what I'm saying, or whoever I'm close to, we're gonna do this little challenge, man. You know what I'm saying? At this part right here, I'm gonna show up to y'all. I did it, but now I wanna spice everything up. Anyway, I say, whoever lose, gotta do the 5 minute, man. You gotta do it, 5 minutes. Can't drink then, can't eat then, gotta last 5 minutes. So, only way you can bypass this right here if you got a health problem. Only way health problem. So Jay Malcolm, Joe Buddy, or who already close, Sam, Lil Sam, or whoever, Cedro, or I know what I'm saying, whoever, you know what I'm saying, who I play around with, I can't name them names, you know what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying, right back, because I don't know who all finna be out this year. Oh, my boy D, Big Block, El Camino, and Smofo. But anyway, whoever lose, got to do this for 5 minutes. And I think that's the best thing I done came up with for the winning and losing. You got if you lose, you got to eat this for 5 minutes, y'all. So make sure y'all stay tuned. And I know I'm gonna try my best not to lose now, because I already know how hot they is, and I definitely don't want to do it again. So like I say, y'all stay tuned with the video right here. I'm gonna show y'all from my other channel. You know what I'm saying? If y'all, like I say, y'all got kids, grandkids, or whatever, I don't know who watch. I know kids who watch my channel. Y'all go subscribe to my kid channel. It's called The Crazy Crew. And I'm gonna end a video like that. So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned and watch that little clip. And I'm ready. I'm ready for war. Oh, what time is on camera?
3 minutes. Wait, time? We've been recording for 3 minutes.
You ready? You want some milk? You're good, Daddy. You gotta give him a cup. Give him a cup, Daddy. Give him a cup.
The bag's behind y'all if y'all need them.
Oh, hey. Oh, hey, I don't know. Yeah, hey. I can't even get my words out of that bad boy hot.
You got milk on your nose. I'm sorry, y'all.
I don't know, man. Y'all be careful about doing that challenge. But boy, that bad boy is hot. Yeah, man. Y'all see it, man. It's going down. See it? Lucky mine about to be out soon. I don't know why they say I'm bullshit, man. They doing all that capping, man. You see it.